I have the Idoo garden, and this set is awesome. This is my second time ordering this set because not only do like these come with like your first set of plant food, but you have 2 extra sets of plant food. You have all these stickers. I like to write in the label right down there before I put them on the plastic pieces. This one did not come with the plastic pieces, but I have a ton. So I love this set. They are squishy. They will expand some when you put them in water. They work really, really well. I've had no issues with this. That's why I've come back to it a couple times. This set is great. It comes with everything you need except the plastic things, but like I said, we all have lots of those. So yeah, this is a great set and it works really, really well. And I like with how many it comes with. There is a ton of these and they're really high quality too. This is a great set. Here's what the front of Plant Food A looks like. And here is the back, and it has everything that is in it once you add water. Here is the Plant Food B. And here's the back of it. Tells you exactly how to mix it with the water and exactly how much to use on them. Great set, definitely recommend.